Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Muskan Goel, a physiotherapist and product trainer at Orthotics. Today, I'll be introducing F-13 OE knee brace designed to provide targeted offloading, pain relief, and improved knee stability in patients with unicompartmental knee osteoarthritis.
Starting with the key features of the Ultralite OE knee brace. Offloading, load adjustment. Quick adjust straps for personalized tension control. Easy on-off, quick release buckles for hassle-free application. Anti-slip grip, silicone-lined inner padding prevents brace displacement during movement. Supports recovery and comfort in these conditions: Genu Varum, Genu Valgum, Unicompartmental Osteoarthritis. Let's see how to wear this product. Keep the thigh side label up. Position hinge laterally centered with the kneecap for correct offloading. Position the brace on your leg, ensuring the side hinge aligns with the center of your kneecap. Begin by fastening the bottom calf buckle first to anchor the brace below the knee. Tighten the calf strap to a firm, comfortable fit using. Attach the remaining calf buckle to complete the lower leg fastening. If the strap is longer than needed, remove the Velcro fastening strap. Cut the strap according to the required length. After trimming, reattach the Velcro strap, then tighten and secure it. Attach the lower thigh buckle to begin securing the upper section of the brace. Eliminate any loose slack by pulling the strap firm and securing the Velcro tab. Snap the upper thigh buckle into place to fully anchor the top panel. Tighten the upper strap to a firm, comfortable fit around the top of the thigh. Genu Varum corrects bow leg alignment. Use the provided Allen key to turn the adjustment mechanism and set the desired offloading tension. Turn counterclockwise to apply varus correction for medial joint relief. Genu Valgum corrects knock-knee alignment. Now, let's set the brace for correcting valgus position. Insert the Allen key into the upper hinge slot and turn clockwise to set the valgus offloading angle. After setting the position, check the lateral frame tension to ensure correct force application across the joint. Precision offloading for comfortable daily mobility. Thanks for watching.